Namibia, a mysterious land in the vast and endless desert containing undisclosed secrets of nature. The sun burned the desert. There is nowhere to hide. The desert buffalo is not easily subdued. Its muscular body and sickle-shaped horns can turn a hunt into a humiliating retreat for the initiating attacker. The dry grass swayed gently in the wind. The temperature keeps rising. Besides, big cats also compete for food with other predators, crocodiles. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and continue to follow and predict the results. In the harsh land of wild Namibia, desert lions search for prey in silence, surrounding their prey with skillful tactics, where one wrong move can end any hope of escape. King of all creatures, wait on the edge of the dune and take your chance. Chase. Will it be successful in this hunt? However, hunting prey like wild buffalo is not easy. Threat. If not careful, the king of the steppe will be the victim. The cheetah, the unmistakable symbol of wild speed. It stands silently in the African grasslands, a lone predator in a vast sea of grass. In just 3 seconds, the cheetah can accelerate from 0 to 100 kilometers per hour, comparable to modern supercars, but not for fun, but for survival. Every dash is a race with destiny. Weighing between 40 and 65 kilograms, cheetahs are too light to compete with lions or antelopes for prey. But it is that slender build that is the key to their incredible speed. They live alone and are secretive. Depends on the second. Approach your prey alone, silently. Accelerate like a living arrow. Put all your energy into the fateful few seconds. Then stop to catch your breath when your prey is still. Leave a comment and let me know what you think about this journey of survival against the enemy. On their hunting journey, they cannot avoid other opponents who are always lurking, waiting for the opportunity to absent-mindedly approach and steal their prey. If successful, it rests on its spoils, exhausted. Although it can run at speeds that can reach 112 kilometers per hour, it is only for a few short seconds, because its heart cannot withstand a long chase. If it fails, it stops, panting, exhausted in the heat of over 40 degrees Celsius, giving its food to others, because it cannot fight, cannot threaten. There is still something hidden. On the seemingly endless grasslands here, within that openness lies a vulnerability for the animals that call this place home. The rustling blades of grass were like a stage without a backstage where both predator and prey exposed to the sun. The wind blows through the Serengeti grasslands. The wildebeest strode like a flood. With their muscular build, dark gray coat, and curved, crescent-shaped horns, they are one of the most striking symbols of the great herd migrations across the African savanna. But don't let looks fool you. Underneath its shaggy fur is a creature with a strong survival instinct, ready to fight back when cornered by a predator. They are not easily subdued. Never fight alone. When a member of the pack is threatened, an adult male can lower his head and deliver a powerful butt with his horns, causing even jackals to be wary of his fierce resistance. During the breeding season, fights between males are fierce. Horns clashing, dust flying. Not to defeat, but to ritually establish dominance within the herd. The desert in the arid Namib landscape glows in the white sunlight. The wind blew across the red sand dunes like fire. Amidst this harsh landscape, the desert oryx stands majestically. A powerful creature with long, straight, sword-like horns and a pale beige gray-white coat that camouflages it perfectly among the endless sand dunes. Their bodies are designed for survival. Their unique heat exchange system helps them regulate their body temperature in scorching heat, and they can absorb moisture from plants to survive for weeks without drinking much water. Many times, it was this calmness and decisive response that made even carnivores like lions change their minds. Not because it was fierce, but because it understood very well. In this place, stability was the foundation of life. Through that, we can see Oryx, the resilient symbol of the desert. They remind us that adaptation is the key to survival. In the harshest world, life still blooms. Like and take action today, preserving the wonders of nature for tomorrow. Giraffe, the tallest land mammal. An icon of the African savanna. Standing up to 5.5 meters tall, giraffes are not only symbols of graceful beauty, but also architects of ecosystems. In Namibia, giraffes range from rivers to the arid savanna. They prefer places with acacia trees, their main food source. Every day, they can consume up to 30 kilograms of leaves, mainly from acacia species, helping to shape the vegetation and maintain the biological balance of the entire grassland. Especially during the dry season, they can travel dozens of kilometers just to find water. Giraffes live in loose herds. Not fixed, not contested, but flexible and interchangeable. Changes in social structure help reduce competition and increase genetic diversity. When threatened, they can unleash powerful kicks, enough to put lions or hyenas on guard. Despite their docile appearance, giraffes are not entirely vulnerable.